Text is everywhere. Usernames, posts, file names, code itself. But how does Python actually handle it? How do you grab just the first letter, find its length, or pull out a specific word? It all comes down to understanding the basic anatomy of a string. Let's break it down. Think of a string as a train. Each character is a carriage, and they are all linked together in a specific order. You can't just jumble them up. Every carriage has a number starting from 0, so you can access any character directly. You can even count from the back using negative numbers. But here's the most important rule. The train is built to last. You cannot change a single carriage. You'd have to build a whole new train. This is called immutability, and it's a core property of Python strings. So how do we use this? You declare a string with single, double, or triple quotes for multi-line text. You can get its length with len, access any character by its index, and extract substrings using slicing. But always remember the core rule. Strings are immutable. You can't change them in place. Where is this useful? All the time. Imagine you need to verify file types. You don't need complex tools. You just need to check what the file name ends with. With a simple slice using negative indexing, you can grab the last 3 characters to validate the file extension. It's a clean, fast, and common way to handle file data. In Python, you can define strings with either single or double quotes. Both ways produce the same result. Let's see it. To find out how many characters are in our greeting, we use the len function. The string "Hello World" has 13 characters, including the space and punctuation. Now, let's access specific parts using indexing. Slicing lets you extract parts of a string. To get a substring, you provide a start and end index. Let's grab hello. If you omit the start or end, it defaults to the beginning or end of the string. You can even add a step to skip characters. And what if a slice is out of range or the start and end are the same? Python handles this gracefully by returning an empty string, which prevents errors. And that's the foundation of Python strings. Knowing how to index, slice, and respect their immutability is key to mastering text manipulation. Ready to practice? Head to the Creating a String problem on CodeChef to test your new skills. The link is in the description. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.